every developer, basically every development team has this problem with, okay, I'm done with my work, I'm done with my solution. Now I have this tedious task on generating documentation, right? What kind of documentation I'm going to generate? That's the first question, right? Is it gonna be documentation for technical users as support? Is this gonna be for end users? And you really don't know what's the documentation that most of your customers are expecting, right? And most of the time, developers are just like, okay, I'm just going to explain what my package does, what the tables do or store, and that kind of stuff, right? But with AI, we have this amazing tool that we can just leverage all the heavy lifting on starting to write the paper, right? It's not a silver bullet, but it gives you an extra boost of productivity, because instead of, grabbing all the tables, all the different packages and objects you want to document, it takes time. And with the AI, you just have to, send that over to the AI, and in about seconds or minutes, you're gonna have a lot of different information in a very structured way. So that's how the idea came off, right? And we just thought about that specifically for technical documentation, but the idea was just evolving, right? Now I started to test it with CICD stuff, with user guides as well. And also I'm building an assistant to tell you, hey, generate the documentation for this particular app that I just built. So if you use one of the out-of-the-box applications from Apex, the charts app, and you can tell this tool, hey, generate documentation for this application, and it's going to use all the metadata that is available, and it's going to give you different points of view for different kind of users, right? It can give you technical for developers, it can give you user guides for end users, and it can give you CI/CD for deployers. So it's very interesting, and you don't have to waste all of your time. It's not a silver bullet though, right? You still have to check it, read it, and verify that it's making sense, right? Because the AI, it's still on diapers, so it's something that you as a human, you can just double check and just refine the prompt or something specific, right? But with that, it's gonna take you minutes to finish your stuff, besides before.